He got the big gun. He can kill that guy there. I don't like him. He looks too old. Wait. You know he's a tight baller, why? Go, you go, go! Enjoy! Get stuck in! No one fucking moves! You got the man! You got the man! You man! You got the man!
Shield to the back right corner.
Anyone lost the block, Mag? Got one. Anyone lost the block, Mag?
One fell out.
Excuse me. What?
Hey! Hey! Hi!
Sorry, Marshall, come and take.
Don't mind it. I'm not landing as well. No one guy directly above you in the tree junction.
I can't see anyone.
He's dead. Tree junction's dead. That's down the A12. Dead.
Are we doing the, you can only go halfway or not? No.
I was very late to the office.
I should have bought the fly pot. I got behind him with the fly pot. I didn't know when to stick it in the barrel.
There's no halfway rule, is there?
No halfway rule.
Just double checking. Yes, but I wasn't there to...
Straight in front.
Yeah.
Orange sniper. Oh, that kid, that kid there. Too high.
Yeah,
Come
got
on,
him.
cut him off, come on.
One right in front. One dead ahead at tree.
Oh, now I am, it's a sniper. I want him black's a sniper.
Oh yeah, my help's not going properly.
I think sniper's down. Yeah, he is.
I was shouting you. I was shouting you.
Hey! Oi! You should see him down here. We just keep on running straight forward and just mowing him down. Take him off, bro. After that game, I mean. No, you know, like down here. I'd like.
We won't get to spawn. Wait, I'm going to tighten fuck out.
Alright. Just come here. Do it here.
My knees just fucking hurt.
Yeah, you know, on that one side, you'll just keep on walking me and just getting mowed down.
These knee pads are fucking me up.
Oi, you're gonna love this first footage. You know, right down here,
Yeah.
we just keep on walking across and just mowing them down. Right, you ready? Come with me down this side, because I said I'll
Yeah.
it'll just me about 10 others.
They're all pushing this side now.
Yeah, come on.
Come in. Where's your green?
Feeds.
Ready or what?
Let's go. That was fucking funny as fuck.
You need to be careful. They're pushing you through.
Yeah, that's where I was holding them off from. Friendlies.
That one straight in front of your feet. Hey, get out of the way again. Stand up.
Straight in front of you.
Yeah.
Stuart, watch your head. Watch your head. Behind that tree, can you see him?
Yeah.
Still not moving.
Trying to work on it.
Stay front.
Surely he's been hit.
Got it. I got one anyway. Oh, you're on about the dude
Behind the tree, yeah.
over there, yeah.
Just keeps on beating.
Yeah, I've been putting rounds on him.
I need him gone to the right corner.
Hit!
Watch out, watch out.
Dead ahead on tree. Slow down.
Come here!
I hit him in the face. Yeah, I got him. He's down. Yeah, he's down.
Mag change. Come like me.
Hey, get a bit back, BJ. Come on, Castle. Where are they?
You know the
Shield guys up these stairs on that corner.
Go on, where we at? Where we at?
Behind us.
Yeah, no, where we at?
Shield top of the trail.
Yeah.
Shield that's slowing us down now.
Gonna go over? Oi, get in! Hey! Hey! I just got lit up. Oh, fuck me. Did you hear it? Yeah. Them fuckers there. Jesus.
Jonah!
That's fine.
Down there, Stu, down there. Carter in my hand side. We're all legging it across down here. That's why we're
yeah.
jumping over there. Wait, watch right hand side, they're all coming right.
Yeah. There's one, you know what, their tunnel on the left side is down there.
Yeah, Liam's sat at the top of the staircase with his riot shield.
Wait, Stu, we're going with Ross and...
Like,
There's one in the team here, upstairs.
I think there's one in that middle bit. Is that friendly? Oh no. He's dead. You see that bit right in front of us, it's a bud. Exactly the same on the other side is there. I was there, he got me, I didn't see him.
On the other side of it, though, with Martin. Who's coming out, not Liam?
Friendly fire.
Oh, is that friendly?
Was that close enough to kill him as well?
No.
Because he's not behind shield, but he's less than 5 metres.
I don't know.
Dead man coming out! Dead man dropping!
Let's get down there and just whale a fire down. You know if our team's over that side, or is it them?
I think it's...
We're not making anything.
He's still
Go for a
there.
run, see you later.
If you could throw over there behind him.
Oh, you know there's a board, and the other side is the exact same side. There's a friendly in front of us.
Oh, fucking brilliant shot.
Oh, for Pete's sake.
What are we doing?
They're all still pushing right.
Yeah, they're all pushing out this way.
Oh, shit! Forget!
Right grenade.
Oh, we did.
Dead man!
Whoever did that. Who did that? Wasn't us.
Oi, Ross. Where's Johnny?
Yeah, sorry, buddy. My fault, I didn't have my hand up. You got this?
Where's Johnny?
I don't know it.
Where are we pushing from?
Yeah, he's up there. Yeah, Johnny went up that way to a bunch of people pushing around.
Should we go that way then?
I reckon we push up that way, fucking fuck them off and then go around the stone.
How many is
We
that
nearly got all
side?
the way around the ground floor.
But they're still pushing this.
Yeah, I think we need a bit more support on ground floor, get it done.
Right, let's go in this side then and push through.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go, close quarters.
Lawrence!
They're all pushing right side.
Right
There's quite a few people here. I might as well come round here as well.
Where's Ross?
Yeah.
Yeah, right side.
Who's that?
Friendly. Ross,
A left.
on this board, there's a guy there.
Where?
Basically, on this side.
You got your Frank?
No?
Mag on floor there.
Is that shield guy here?
Yeah, down. Well, we've got a friendly upstairs.
There.
Right. And right in front of us, in corner again.
Dead man. Hey, dead man. Dead man coming out. Non-ban. Non-ban on the stairs. Where are we looking, lads?
Upstairs.
We got one upstairs already.
Right, everyone check your fire now because we've got friendlies in.
I don't think there's anyone. Cancel from enemy.
Yeah. This side's ours, I don't know about that side.
No, we've got one guy there, mid staircase.
We're currently fighting for that.
Wait, how many people's out front? Come on, mate, come on. Wait, one right there.
Friendly. Friendly.
No?
No, he's your fucking tool.
Oh, fuck's sake. So if we've got that left side, is that friendly?
Left, do that. Come forward and do it.
Come on, let's go, come on.
Good kill, man, good kill. Got me when I was playing with the swing.
One down and spray. Then we'll be able to see who's there.
What way
Go round, but I don't know if my run's going to work or not.
We're all gonna run in, yeah? We're gonna go for it?
Take him down, I can't fucking get him.
Right, I'll run round, whoever shoots
There's a
me,
guy
shoot
walking
them.
straight past us, guys. Are you looking? He's literally on the other side of that barricade now, behind the trees.
Oh yeah. I got him.
Good kill.
No, he's dead. I got him. Well, let's go.
I know they're all.
He's down.
I mean, not to there. Oh. I think I've been here, I can feel it.
Oi. Oh. Hey Ross, there's one in the doorway, then there's about two on a tree. So, do you two want to push that barricade, get the guys on the tree and we'll rush in through front? Gonna do that?
Wait.
Right, let us get up front gate
No,
first.
just wait a minute.
Got pyro?
Chuck it straight off. In fact, chuck it in the door.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, get it in doorway, we're gonna push. Right, wait for our call, okay?
Watch it, sniper!
Get out front door. Nice. We're going in.
I know there's
Got
some people
smoke.
in there, but I don't know what.
I know one's down.
Standing.
We're going.
Straight in front of the town.
We've got two behind these trees.
If we fly around this corner, they're not fast enough.
Got him. Got one.
If we
There's
all
one
fly
straight
around
in front of you,
this corner,
Stuart.
Yeah.
Well,
no, that's what I mean. A lot of them there aren't fast enough to get a
Stretch it face. Go! Hit! I got.
Let's look at this corner.
I got two. Are you going in? Yeah. Nice. Let's go. I'll get Ross to cover us.
this is the, right, as I sit down, you pop up and take them out.
Alright.
That's Frontline.
Come on, keep her. Hit! Oh, that was fucking good.
We need him back. Where's he gone?
Still there. Oh, yeah, fucking awesome. You see what we just did? Just went straight into the middle. Guy in front of me with his shield, I just popped up and sprayed him.
Oh, wait, I'm taking these knee pads off next to him and I'm getting tired now.
Yeah? Yeah? Hey? Yeah? Let's go.
Same again, yeah?
Yeah.
Can we push it that way?
I've got fucking. I need.
Shall we push towards barrel?
Oh, in front of him. Got one. Hey, push in. Get some fire down, Ross. Got one. Come on, push. Hold on. Got a fucking BB with me, man. Are you ready?
Oh, right. Whoa. We'll go straight round that barricade just there.
No, 'cause right.
Ready?
Hold
Go
on.
sideways.
Come back here, yeah? Got one. One at tree. Right in front of us.
Right over. If I
Wait, watch out, Stuart, against wall.
put it just on the side of the barricade here, yeah?
Just next to the
Yeah,
barricade.
just
Halfway
just-
between the door and the
yeah,
barricade.
Yeah.
And we can go straight out.
Watch out in front of it.
Go on, you're clear, buddy, you're clear, still clear.
Go on.
Fine, go. Good.
Give it a little bit.
Where's the shield gone?
It's coming back. Right, are we ready to push, yeah?
Right, everyone just spray a little bit.
Oh, wait.
Where are we going?
Guy out front.
Cease fire!
Someone's fell over.
Got you guys. Who's dead? No one. This side. Fucking hell, that stinks.
Fucking right game, this.
It wouldn't be so bad if it wasn't some butcher fucking.
What after this one now?
No?
I fucking love that M249.
Nice, isn't it?
It's, oh, like that side, I'm just mowing them down.
I'd
This
second
side.
that last break. We can't. Oh, that's a great idea. Let's have a quick gander around here. See where everybody is. Oh, he's being carted off.
Okay, we've got a lot of guys. Hiya! I'm ready for you.
As soon as they shot 10 seconds, right? Grab guns, run straight at us and game on.
No, 'cause they're gonna fuck us up. aren't they? I don't know, the odds are against us. Right. When the game starts, there's about 9 people. Shall we all just spread out, walk left and don't foot back? And spray, yeah? As soon as it goes though. It's the first time I've ever heard say ceasefire.
Yes, not a clue. No, I don't think so.
I want you to
Yeah. I think he's VIP. Are you VIP?
Oh, that's what, yeah. I am very important, but I'm not really.
Okay.
shoot him.
What is the enemy?
No.
Sweet.
Who's dead? Can
We
you
don't
see?
know that. We don't know. We can't see the band.
I know, my brother did, right?
What happened? No? Okay. Yeah.
Stuck the top tree.
What happened?
First time I went paintball and I had butted a tree.
10 seconds!
Right, you ready?
In first, in first. Right, are you ready? Are you ready? On 3. 1, 2, fucking 3!
Game over! Game over!
Game over! Game over!
Did you poke around me and shoot me?
No, Josh, Ginger.
Oh, I ran around and shot someone on the floor. Good game, lads. netting?
No, because I'm going to need to get it with a D.
It's alright. Well, you put your helmet on. Fuck you.
Right, anyone else coming in after me? No, I'm standing. I'm sitting here.
I will for a bit.
I was saying, may as well just stick your gun through this hole and just.
Wait, where is Ross?
I don't know. It's right exit.
Ross! Fuck knows.
You looking for your medic?
Yeah.
Just wandered off there. Ross up here.
Shall we just go right in the middle of the map?
Bruce. Anyone else coming in there with me and
Bruce Lee. I like the sound of that gun. How much for it?
Sorry?
How much for it?
Original gun 150. Then I got started to put a Type 4 barrel in it. Then I shredded all the gears, put fresh gears and up the FPS.
Sounds nice.
No, RPS. Then the problem is, the drum's dying and doesn't feed fast enough. So it's a case of small, very small concentrated bursts.
George.
Hey.
Alright, guys.
Hey, babe.
Don't worry, push comes to shove, I've got the crossbow.
Ross, isn't it a good idea to move these back?
I'm not carrying that long fucking steel around.
Why don't you move it there?
No, I'm leaving it there. If I need to get it, I don't want it to be too far away. Yeah, I've got a pistol. Holding that for close encounter.
Oh,
Just to let you know, I went to visit church. I'm not coming to get you. Your funeral.
You sniper. We got a guy right up the little kids basically.
Yeah.
I'll let you pop some off. Oi, in middle. Middle. Push in middle.
Is that a medic already?
Yeah, I understand.
Where at?
Is that a gun stack next to the gallows or something? Like a gun next to the
Should I go right to dead spawn?
There's definitely a sniper fight at this point. Yeah, well, there's another one behind the building.
In church, don't risk it.
Where at?
In church, me medics.
Oi, my gun's just here, so don't knock it over.
Alright.
Where at?
Alright, do you want to cover?
I'm going to
Where?
need someone to run with me.
Come on. Come on, let's go. You ready? Come on. In front? Come on, Ross, in front. Right, come on. You get behind me. You get behind me. Right, go, go, go.
Medic inside as well!
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, my kit, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Running straight back.
Come on, let's go.
Nah. I've lost another mag. Pistol mag.
Behind the tree. What's that?
If anyone's got that extra,
And I've lost the pyro.
not having a good day, are you?
Now, these pouches is shit.
Well, first time I lost a mag.
Have you lost one?
Yeah.
What could that be?
Well, we went there, and then up to the house so it can be there. Is that? They're pushing hard on left. We've got a lot of guys anyway. So.
Is there a mag on floor there anyway? Looks like this. Pistol mag.
Over our house.
Is there a pyro on floor there?
No worries.
That's alright. I'll find it. Fucking hell.
Got one.
That's just fucking white.
All pushing left side, so he's going to get on with
No, we've got loads of people in that building in my back one. People's pushing middle, so be careful. We're all good.
There we go. We called my blend for a reason.
Pushing down the stone.
Yeah.
Right side, right side.
One's down. Come on, cover fire. There you go with him.
Pushing down left.
On my house again. Hold on.
That building straight up.
A lot of people.
Doors. It's got the slant. I'm ready when you want me to be ready.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Hey!
Make some space there.
Move back!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 seconds. Right, you need to make the fucking move back now.
You ready?
Are you down? Right,
Go back to that.
Straight to that building.
Let's go. Go. Oi, Ross. Yeah, are we?
Keep running down the far side, but we came out here because no one was in.
Fucking hell. So what in middle? I reckon we're gonna get. We're losing left side. Yeah, we're losing left side. Hey BJ, Johnny! Ross! Come on! Ross!
Sniper.
Get here, it's a bit safer.
There's a sniper straight over.
Yeah, I won't let you, don't worry. No one, it's just safer. It's safer here.
No, I want to get this guy here.
Oh!
There's someone dead at me now.
Yeah. Oi. BJ. Yeah. We've got people coming up here. Ross! Medic!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Cheers. And we're looking at middle.
Medic!
Ross! Here after. You alright?
Do it.
Yeah, it's done.
Side of house, Ross, in it.
1, drop the floor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Tell me if there's more.
Centre building. Moving down left.
Centre building. Oh, we're looking, babe.
Is that medic down?
Do it.
Fuck's sake. Who's dead? I'll just run straight here. Who's
How many people?
There's like 1, 2, 3 sides.
Hold on.
We're all just rented there.
We won't hit us.
Just got a couple.
We're going to hold this side. Let them two stay in middle. We'll hold this
I'll
side.
give you my spot on side. So if I shout and
Yeah, it won't
reloading,
hit
cover me
us.
still.
Hey?
If I shout and reloading, cover me.
I will.
Or I'll just come back here.
I'm saving a bit of bullets until they really start pushing heavy.
I've still got 1 mag left.
So I'm going to need battery life.
This is what we want left side.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Pushing.
I know.
Yeah, I think they're pushing.
Oh, you go there with Jonty. Ross, middle, red building. Come on. Do you want to get these? Get these two. Come on, come on. Get behind me. Go, go, go. Ross.
Because ours is rental, it won't reach. Behind these barrels, take my spot behind the barrels.
I got him. Is he done? Should be. Yeah, it's dead.
Go Ross, go! Oh, he's pushing this side too, down this tree.
Hey, left side! Oi! Left side! Left side, down there on trees, pushing hard. Yellow building. You dead? Ross!
They're all pushing.
He's not taking his hits. That couldn't.
1, 2,
Now he's dead.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, get a fucking here. Fuck me.
Right, left side, left side, left side.
Ugh. Ross, make sure you stay alive, yeah?
Eric, can't medical.
Copy that.
What do you have them three?
No. Have we got friendlies at church? I've got this left side.
Where in there?
Right, that's where I'm going, yeah?
Hey, stay here, stay here.
No, I'm going to that.
There's a lot of people left.
Did you say we have or we haven't got friendly in church?
Well, watch out, right in front of you, Ross, on yellow building.
Hey, are you dead? Hang on here. Go.
Right. Is that non-banded down there? Banded on it. Wait, Stu, be watching that way, so I don't know who's banded.
I know. Hey, Ross, get back.
Go.
Oh, you got bashed. I know.
Hey, watching here, because I don't know whether he's banded or unbanded. Look, he's moving around the back. You see him down in trees?
No, they're friendlies. Stragglers. Oh, you see that building right in front of us, that big?
Yeah.
There's some watch out.
Sniper straight up.
You won't hit us.
Firing through the middle of the house. Watch out, 'cause they're firing through the door at the house.
Yeah. Are you pushing church? Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. On church. Hey, go, ready, go. Cover. Right, coming for you, yeah? Oh.
Pyro church, we haven't got no friendlies in church. They're still all pushing this side. Are they dead? Stood at the side of them trees? Yeah. No, up there? Yeah, no. Pushing down!
Oi, oi, left side!
Right side, right side!
Left side! Get ready! Oi!
Stay coming down!
Come on!
Hit!
Oh, fuck! Come on. Medic's down. Oi, Ross. You got a life on you? Yeah?
This side!
It's me and you.
Hold up!
He's down.
On our side!
Lay some cover, yeah? Right, 3, 2, 1, go. Hit! No. Oh, fucking hell. That'll good. Straight up.
Yeah, there you go.
I'll go first.
Second.
You're covering our flank.
Posting straight up this
Straight up! Hit! Oh, good.
Everybody together. Come on, lads. All together. We can do this. One at a time.
Right in front of you, yeah? I'm at barricade. Couple. Watch your head, Ross. Are we going up on right side, yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, Ross. Ready? Right, 3, 2, 1, go! Come on! Come on! Come on! Oh! 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 Come here, Ross! Ross! I got 2 anyway. Fucking hell. Oi! You two should have came with me. I got right up here.
I just ran up.
I got 4.
We're going up, right up.
Like last time, like me, yeah? Come on. Hey, Ross! Hey, is everyone ready? Who's running? VJ! It's VJ. You gonna come with me, yeah? Straight up. Oi! You guys come in. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Come on! Oh! Come on! He's down! Hit! Come on!
Marshall, pistol down if you see one. Yes, thanks.
Come on, get in!
Okay, push right, go.
Right, you ready?
You're not going until the motor's under that net, your respawn's not move. Right, respawn's move, crack on.
Here's the motor!
Yeah, done.
Left side, left side. Come on.
I'd run before you get shot, Brandon.
Straight on barrels. Yeah?
Not yet. No, we're not going in yet, you dickhead.
Here we are.
We're not going in yet.
We are. Hey!
We have to wait for the marshal to say go, basically, when we do.
Yeah, lad.
Yeah.
Go straight through.
Do you want to smoke it?
Then we're allowed in.